Gohighlevel and N8N, which can be called as Nathan, serve very different automation needs. Gohighlevel is an all-in-one SaaS platform tailored for marketing agencies and service businesses. It offers built-in CRM, email or SMS automation, funnel builders, and client management tools, perfect for non-technical users who want fast deployment and centralized control. It's ideal for lead generation, appointment booking, and nurturing workflows without writing code. Nathan, on the other hand, is a powerful open source automation tool designed for developers and technical teams. It supports over 300 integrations and allows you to build custom workflows using a visual node-based editor. You can self-host it, connect APIs, and create complex logic flows with full control. It's best for businesses that need deep customization, data routing, and integration across diverse platforms. So the verdict is you choose Gohighlevel if you want a turnkey marketing automation suite with minimal setup. You choose Nathan if you need flexible, developer-grade workflow automation across systems.